welcome to my channel. This is me, Sharmi Shuma, and today I'm going to show you this silvery eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please give a like, subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet. Hit this red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos, and it's absolutely free. And the viewers who already subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Thank you for your love and support. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. I already did my foundation, and for eye makeup I'm taking this brown color shadow from the palette TZ35D. From this palette I took this brown color eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my eye crease area and also outer corner of my eyelid. I'm applying it little by little and I'm blending it well. After that, now I'm taking this black color shadow from the same palette TZ35D and I'm applying this black eyeshadow outer corner of my eyelid and also little bit on my eye crease area. Always apply your eyeshadows little by little. It will help to blend your eyeshadows very well. Don't use too much eyeshadow at a time. You can see again I took that black color eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my outer corner of my eyelid, and also I'm applying it on my lower lash line area, only the half lower lash line, and I'm blending it well. This black color eyeshadow from TZ35D is not super black, so what I'm going to do, I'm using another black color eyeshadow. It's from Jordana. It's a powdered black color eyeshadow. Look at the pigment. This black color eyeshadow is so pigmented. Now I'm blending the harsh line of this black eyeshadow with my finger. And then I'm applying this black shadow under my lower lash line area. After that, with this palette as like an angel from Makeup Revolution, I'm taking this silvery eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my eyelid area. You can use any kind of silvery eyeshadow to get this eyeshadow makeup look. I'm applying it only the half of my eyelid and I'm applying it with my finger to get the most pigment look. Now with this flat brush, I'm leveling the line of this silvery eyeshadow. Again, I took some black eyeshadow and with it I'm blending the joint of these two eyeshadow so that there is no harsh line. Always make sure both eyes look similar. To highlighting my inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone area, I am using this white eyeshadow. Now the most beautiful part, glitter. Yes, I'm going to use this beautiful glitter on my eyelid now. So first, with a flat brush, I am applying glitter glue on my eyelid where I have applied silvery eyeshadow. And then with the same brush, I am taking glitter on this flat brush and applying it where I have applied my glue. You have to work fast before the glue gets dry. Now same way I'm going to do my other eye. If you don't have glitter glue, you can use eyelash glue. Here I am using eyelash glue. First I put the eyelash glue and now with the flat brush I'm applying the glitter. You can use your finger to apply this glitter. My glitter got dry and now I am going to remove my cotton tape or salon tape. And now I am going to fix my foundation. After that I will apply my eyeliner. To lining my eyes, today I am using NYC liquid eyeliner. It's a super black eyeliner, and with this eyeliner I am making a small wing in my inner corner of my eyes and a beautiful large wing outer corner of my eyes. Took some black eyeshadow on a pencil brush and applying it on my lower lash line. I'm applying it little by little. And for mascara, I'm using my favorite mascara, Jordana Mascara, in the shade black, and I'm applying lots of mascara on my upper and lower lashes. That's it, and now I'm going to wear my false lashes off camera and I'll be back. I wear my false lashes is from Technic Natural, and I am applying my lip gloss is from Jordana, and the lipstick I use is also from Jordana Natural 28. This is my final look. For today's makeup look, I use Focallure foundation and my shade is 03. And to contour my face and nose, I use Define and Conceal contour kit. And to highlighting my face, I use Revolution highlighter Golden Lights. It's a beautiful highlighter, gold color highlighter. Look at the shade. All the product I use for this makeup and eyeshadow are given to the description box below. Please check it out. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video, and if you don't subscribe yet my channel, please subscribe and stay connected. If you like this video, then please give a like and share this video with your friends and family to help me grow. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.